Getting involved with the 3D printing has been an awareness of mine, having been in the mechanical engineering field and aerospace in Connecticut for almost 20 years now. So being able to broaden my skills and to develop knowledge of the 3D printing technology was really a growth aspect for me. The hands-on ability to use the machines was quite a bit different than just using the computer in the design and drafting aspect of machine design. There are a few different areas of expertise that take some knowledge that's different than what I'm used to. Knowing what some of the programs do and the intricacies of them is definitely intriguing, and knowing that I can also possibly use the same design to go and create a manufactured piece out of a different material other than plastic down the road. So using it as a prototyping method was my outlook.
My name's George Clemmy. I'm from Middletown, Connecticut. I'm at the stage in my life where I probably have another year or two before I retire, and I'm not one of those to sit at home all day, so I'm looking for something new to possibly get into a small business doing prototyping. And I've always had an inkling for 3D additive manufacturing. I was always interested in it, although I didn't know anything about it, but it was just so cool to see pieces printed three-dimensional. So I'm looking forward to going through the program here, and hopefully in the next year and a half, build up my foundation from what I've learned here and take it to the next step. I had no experience whatsoever. In fact, out of all the students, I have the least amount of CAD experience. So this here is my design piece, my reverse engineered piece, and there is a separate cover that covers this area here, such as this one here. And this housing, I have the screw holes lined up and so forth, and my dimensions were so close, but I am a ½ millimeter off.
The only experience I've had before this was a little woodworking, and that's about it. I just want to try something new. Like, that's something I always like to do, is just exploring new possibilities and how I can uncover myself more, and stuff I just want to get my hands on. Like, I knew it, in the background, I've heard of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. I've seen it before, but I haven't done it. I want to get my hands on it, so I wanted to just try it out and see what all the hype is about, and it's been really fun. It's been a really good ride. It's amazing how your first print, day one, and where I am today, how much I've improved, and it's only been a few months, and I can't wait until the next year, 2 years, what is going to be in store next.
I took a tour of Makerspace over a year ago, and then I was able to get notified that this class was coming up, and so then I signed up for it. Was in manufacturing for over 30 years, so familiar with 3D type work. And last year, I never did that hands-on, but I was familiar with it. So last year I wound up getting a license for Fusion 360 for the personal use. So I was already in motion doing, learning the 3D CAD design on my own. And when this opportunity came up, it allowed me to apply what I learned, and I did my project using Fusion 360. So that gives me the medium of doing the plastic, and in the future I'm going to use the design work to move into metal and to wood. And some of the projects that I'm going to do are probably going to combine all three of those mediums together. And using the CAD and using the slicers and getting involved with the G-code, some of that's going to transfer over, a portion of that learning. So to me that's going to be pretty exciting. I can tell you this, as you talk to people and tell them what you're doing and all that, most people are pretty intrigued and interested. They hear about the 3D printing, but they're not quite sure what it is and how it gets done.
So I want to be in mechanical engineering, So I'm kind of like studying different stuff that I haven't decided yet on which one. Yeah, but I want to study more and more so I can be like for sure. So I know for sure which one I wanna do. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's mechanical engineering. So I did actually like design a gear that I needed for the project that I was working on, and also I was able to design it and print it. Project was to like design something that I can wear. Yeah, I had this little remote right here. It was pretty good, and it's kind of like something that I wanted to do more, yeah, and learn more. Yeah, I do want to go to college. Yeah, but over the break I can like doing something like this again. And there's not only like one place that you can do it. There's like different places here, and you can work like the one that you feel like you belong to. Yeah, and pretty good because also there's people that can like they are there to help you when you need them to. Like the gear that I didn't have like the right measurements, so one of the guys had to help me too, which I did, and also the printing. I didn't know how to use the software that I used to design the gear, the NX, and I'm pretty excited that I do know how to use them now. Yeah, because I learned it here, and yep, maybe I can use it better in the future.